In the workshop, painting the Boxford Lathe Part 2. In this one, I'm going to not only paint the lathe, but I'm going to paint the doors from the cabinet. And to make it possible for viewers to contain their excitement, I put some soothing music over the end bit. And just in case you don't know the front from the back, this is not soothing music. It's my Proxon angle grinder fitted with a flapper wheel, and I'm using it to remove the paint from the tailstock. I'm just using the angle grinder in areas of the tailstock where there's not much paint left. Most of the rubbing down of the paint though was done with emery cloth like this. From what I can gather by rubbing down the old paint, initially the lathe was painted grey. That will have been the factory finish. Then it was painted blue, but oddly enough the tailstock missed out on the blue coat. As I'm using the angle grinder, I soon get through to the primer coat, the original one from the factory. And as you can see, there's no blue coat. Time for the first bit of painting. I haven't removed all of the old paint because I just don't have the time. My workshop looks like a bomb site at the moment. We had to move everything out of the way to paint the floor, and I'm still waiting for the paint to dry. It's a bit patchy in places. But anyway, back to the lathe. Here's the tailstock getting a coat of paint, and it sort of looks alright. It is an old lathe. I'm not trying to camouflage it as anything else. The hardest part of this paint job was painting the hand wheel. With a job like this, I just like to get on with it, and I'm painting the hand wheel spokes, and if any paint gets on the outer part, I just wipe it off with a cloth. I am thinking that the spokes may need another coat. I'll see how the paint dries. And in case you missed the previous episodes, I'm really enjoying using this paint. It's from a company called Paragon Paints. And this is satin paint, so when it's dried, the lathe actually looks okay. And what's even better is, most of this is just one coat. There's plenty of pigment in this paint, it's good stuff. After I finish the final part of the chip tray around the back, it's starting to look quite nice. I think it's time to fit the safety cover over the change wheels. And that's it for the narrative. I can't say much more. Instead, I'm going to play this piece of music that I put together a while back. And it's called Painting My Old Boxford Lathe on a Bank Holiday Monday in May. Stay healthy, thanks for watching, and I hope you found it useful. please take the time to visit my Mainsteam Models website and click on the section of the website that says Video Playlists. And by doing that, you can find other videos that you may like to watch. And by using the playlists, you can actually watch the videos back to back.